Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the CQR in the app for research-related studies. First, you will locate the CQ Foods app, which is right here, and you'll look for that emblem. You'll sign in as commercial. You will use the email address that you provided to log into your app. This will need to be the same one each time, because your device is paired to your app through that. Of all your different supply chains, you will select research and then hit Let's Get Started. First, you can touch the button on your CQR and it should blink red, and hit your profile button and then devices. Here you can see that the device is connected to my app. I select the back arrow and then the home icon at the bottom. It gives me a choice of two different forms to fill out. I will select the research form. In the first field, we can select king salmon, or we could select sockeye salmon. Field 2, we will select any number of fields data for each one of these. This could be tributary, it could be a group, it could be a group identifier, it could be a tank number, but these need to be in the same order each time. So I would recommend having a lookup table so you know what field to fill in each time, because it will just say field 1 through field 6. And so we could put in tributary if we know what trib it was. So I'll just leave it as TRIB. Field 3 could be a site. Maybe this is 2A upstream or something. So we'll just leave it as 2A. Field 4 can be the length, and we measure the length, and it could be 34 millimeters. Field 5 can be the weight. It might be 56 grams. You do not need to put the units in here, but we do need to keep track of those, so we're not switching units. Field 6 might be a fish-specific identifier, like an SIN number. And this could be 1, 4, 3, 6, 8, 5, 7, or whatever, if you're following along on a data sheet. And then on the initials and comments, you can use the microphone button, so you can verbally say any comments that you might want to add. You select Done, and then you hit Take Measurements. It is now ready to take measurements. By placing the CQR on the side of the fish below the dorsal fin, using approximately the weight of your hand, press the 4 electrodes onto the fish, and you will see and push the button, and you will see the CQR light up green. I recommend taking 3 measurements off of each fish. It takes about a second to take a measurement, so just hold it down, press the button 3 times, and then make sure you hit Stop Taking Measures. And this will then show you the batches of the measurements that you've taken. If you wanted to start a new form, you simply just put the back arrow, and it will remember your last entries, and then you can change those and then take a second set of measurements. In order to upload those measurements to the cloud, simply hit the graphics button at the bottom. Make sure you have good internet connection, and then simply select Sync with Server. It will ask you if you have a strong internet signal. You can double check that, select Yes, and then you should receive a confirmation that your measurements have been uploaded to the cloud. From this point, you can go back to the Home button and you can fill out another form. And then you can go to your dashboard to see your results. Thank you.